Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the roundup function in Excel. Rounding up in Excel ensures you always have conservative estimates useful for financial calculations and inventory management to avoid shortages. So let's start the video. First, open up Microsoft Excel worksheet. Here we have column of numbers. Let's start by selecting the cell where we want our rounded up number to appear. So click on the cell B2. Now type in the following formula is equal to roundup, open bracket. Next we need to select the number we want to round up. So I will click on the cell A2. Now type a comma. Now we need to specify the number of digits we want to round up to. If you want to round up to the nearest whole number, then type 0 and close the bracket. Press enter. And there you go, the number in cell A2 is now rounded up in cell B2. This time we will round up to 2 decimal places. Type 2 in numbers. Press enter. And now the number in A2 is rounded up to 2 decimal places in B2. Now if we type -2 in the number of digits we want to round up and press enter, then it will round up to 2 decimal places to the left of the decimal point. So that's how to round up in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.